Welcome to Law Family. This video is helpful to the law students and newly practicing young advocates only. Today, we discuss about the sections 137, 1 and 2 of BNS Act 2023. Corresponding law sections is 359 and 363 of IPC. Kidnapping. Kidnapping is an offense irrespective of any intent with which it is committed. It may be committed without assault or wrongful restraint or confinement. Ingredients. The section has 4 essential ingredients. One is taking or enticing away a minor or a person of unsound mind. Second one is such minor must be under 14 years of age. If a male, under 16 years of age. If a female, such minor must be under 14 years of age if a male, under 16 years of age if a female. Third one is the taking or enticing must be out of the keeping of the lawful guardian of such minor or person of unsound mind. Fourth one is such taking or enticing must be without the consent of such guardian.
Welcome. Takes or entices any minor. The taking need not be by force, actual or constructive, and it is immaterial whether the girl consents or not. There must be a taking of the child out of the possession of the parent. Enticement need not be confined to any single form of allurement. Essential distinction between the two words take and entice. The mental attitude of the minor is not of relevance in the case of taking. The word take means to cause to go, to escort, or to get into possession. When the accused takes the minor with him, whether she is willing or not, the act of taking is complete and the condition is satisfied. The word entice involves an idea of inducement by exciting hope or desire in the other. The period of detention is immaterial to the offense. Important point. If the suggestions to go away with the accused came from the girl only and he took the merely passive part of yielding to such suggestion, he is entitled to an acquittal.
One is when taking is complete. The offense of kidnapping from lawful guardianship is complete when the minor is actually taken from lawful guardianship. It is not an offense committing so long as the minor is kept out of such guardianship. Second one is enticing. The enticing away of a child playing on a public road is sufficient. Third one is abetment. There is a conspiracy before the kidnapping takes place. A conviction for abetment of kidnapping can be sustained. Fourth one is under 16 years of age if a female, where the minor kidnapped is a girl under 16 years of age, it is no defense that the accused did not know the girl to be under 16 years age, or that from appearance he that accused might have thought she was of a greater age. Fifth one is any person of unsound mind. Any unconscious person cannot be said to be of unsound mind.
Sixth one is out of the keeping of the lawful guardian. This means lack of consent, that is, the action must be done without the guardian's consent. It is a criminal offense. Lawful guardian. The person who entrusts a minor to the care or custody of another must stand in the position of a person having a legal duty or obligation to the minor. Temporary guardianship does not ask lawful guardian's right, where a girl who was under the temporary guardianship of a person was taken away with his consent and married to a boy without the consent of her father. This offense was held to have been committed.
Hindu law. A father is the guardian of his children and is ordinarily entitled to their custody. A mother cannot have a right to the custody of her legitimate children adversely to the father without the consent of such guardian. The consent of the minor is immaterial. A misrepresentation as to the intention of a person is a misrepresentation of a fact. Lastly, it is an offense for a father to take his children away from the another mother away from the mother if a court order specifies custody or visitation rights for the mother. It deems violating of a court order can lead to a contempt of court charge which carries potential legal penalties including fines or imprisonment.
Next, punishment part. Section 137(2) of BNS Act 2023 shall be punished with imprisonment may extend it to 7 years and with fine. This video is purely theory. The Honorable Court decides each case on merits. Thank you.
Thank you.